So the next question I get fairly often is what happens at closing? So when you close on your loan and the mortgage is finalized, the house is officially yours. So at closing, basically you'll sit down with your notary and you'll complete the signing information. So just make sure you have your unexpired ID or driver's license. You'll go through and complete the signing. So the notary will explain if you have any questions throughout the documentation. If it's a refinance, it will show all the details of your refinance. It will show when your expected first payment's going to be. So this part is very important. So if it shows in the closing paperwork your payment is due by, say, August 1st, then that means that that's not flexible after your loan's funded. So you want to make sure to always sign the paperwork as scheduled, but always give your loan officer a call and just confirm that you're happy with when your first payment's due. Because first things first, you don't want to have to re-sign everything and just go through the whole process. A notary cost is another $150. So really you don't want to re-sign everything unless you absolutely have to. And if you do, of course, it's better to be able to skip the correct number of payments you want and then see if the lender will cover that re-signing cost for you. But primary thing is to always verify, make sure the details are correct, because if there's other details on there, you want to look everything through. A lot of times those corrections can be made without having to re-sign the whole paperwork again. So it's just a matter of getting the necessary clarification, that way you're all on the same page. So at closing, there's always going to be a 3-day cooling off period. So this period is designed just for that, so that you can write down all your questions, anything that came up during signing that doesn't look quite right, that you weren't sure and your loan officer wasn't available, your notary doesn't know either. This is when you want to make sure to address that with your loan officer and your processing. That way they can clarify those questions, see if it's something that can be remedied before your loan funds, or they can initiate the signing and correct whatever is necessary. So sometimes if that translates to another signing, then that's what they'll be able to coordinate and ensure that your new loan is exactly what you want it to be. So hopefully that helps. Until next time, bye guys!